Ho, again and again. You join me on a crisp and chilly December morning. It's nearly Christmas. Or, if you're American, nearly the 4th of July. 'Tis the season to be jolly, which means no matter how you're feeling, you have to be happy. No exceptions. Luckily, I am surrounded by dozens of beautifully wrapped gifts and ready to spread joy. There's even one for me, and the anticipation before I open it is almost too much to bear. But rules are rules, and one thing is missing, and that is a beautifully decorated dead tree to open them under. One almost as beautifully decorated as me, and my van. Let's go! Or should that be let's ho? No, that's not right. Let's go. I have successfully located a tree, and not a moment too soon because the anticipation of what my gift might be has reached boiling point. Could it be a roll of sticky tape, a new wing mirror, maybe even a new camera? So without further ado, just bring it a bit closer. Pull this back here, unwrap here, unwrap this bit, turn it round. Well, what can I say? I look absolutely amazing, if I do say so myself. Although surprises don't always go this way. Sometimes the anticipation of a gift can be much better than the gift itself. Obviously not in this case though. So the next time you find yourself looking forward to something, take a moment to appreciate that feeling of anticipation. Because once the thing's happened, there's no more anticipation to anticipate. And not everything can turn out as wonderful as this jumper. Thanks again, Mum. And thank you again for watching. Merry Christmas and goodbye again.